So this is the quantity today. Is triple quantity than ever. Like every day I was cooking less, but today I am cooking extra. I have cooked extra for them. These are my new friends who are attracted to this. Hunch. Okay, come. Wait. So these are the new friends. Here. आपको वो खाने नहीं थे कि वहाँ पे यहाँ पे थे तू? हाँ. Here. खाओ आप. रुक खाओ. Now I'm beginning my feeding drive. I've already fed my one beautiful cat who is my friend now. Very beautiful, pretty cat. So I do everything by myself. Buying chicken, then I cook. Auntie cooks rice for me. One auntie, she always helps me in cooking the rice. Hi. Acha. It's okay. Don't be afraid of them. आप अपने खा लो वहीं पे जाके. क्विक बॉय बन जाओ. चलो वहीं पे खा लो. From tomorrow, Navratris are beginning, so we will not cook chicken from tomorrow onwards. We will give them paneer and rice or dog food, dry dog food, but not chicken from tomorrow for 9 days. These dogs get attracted towards the smell of the food, but right now I'm not starting to feed them. You got food, biscuits. Wow, Parle-G biscuits. Abhi I can't start feeding them, otherwise they will get used of me and then I can't continue feeding so many dogs. So I'll maintain my 80 dogs. See, they're sleeping and waiting for me. Hi. 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 Huh, baby? Okay. Stop my garden. Oh, बाहर आओ बेबी. No. अच्छा. हाँ जी. Don't fight with him, okay? Shiv. Abhi Shiv ka I know. He will eat here also, and then when I'll go to post office, so he'll come there also. भागते भागते आ जाएगा वहाँ पे. चलो. Good girl. Wait. Oh. बेटा मिट्टी में काहे खा लो. Okay, playful. Ha. My baby Kalu.